OMNIAX. I'm at the hospital here in Las Vegas. Lisa's getting her back surgery. She's actually getting surgery done right now as I speak. At the same time, I had time to sit, open up my computer, and do analysis, and I wanted to let you know the Omni arrow has flipped to green for trading on Friday. That would be Friday the 10th, July 10th, 2026. Green Omni, look at this hold. Look at this insanely good hold here in the Russell 2000. Great hold. S&P looks good, the chart. NASDAQ chart looks good, but I don't have a lot of time now. I just wanted to let you know that the charts look good for the upside, S&P, NASDAQ, Russ, and OmniX, we take all the Omni trade recommendations, good, bad, or indifferent. We take them all. It's the only way to get the proper results at the end of a year following a system is you take all the trades, never shy away, take them all. Today we had a gold trade, fat winner. We ended up having an S&P losing trade. If you took them both, you didn't have a bad day. Always take all the trades, okay? The trades look good that we're putting out this afternoon for tonight. We will be buying S&P. That's about all I wanted to tell you for this evening. Just remember, stops are in, emotions are out. I'm in a hospital, so I can't do much about that at the moment. I'll speak to all of you cats later. I will have trade recommendations live at livewithoscar.com. And viva la OMNIPHOENIX. What a great job the Omni token's doing. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.